Wednesday, October 2nd. This week has been nothing but a great big old cluster fuck. 12:30. And I am making my third trip to Home Depot today because I can't remember shit. I can't remember shit. I can't write down shit. Just what, 9:30-ish. I made my way down to Home Depot, did a little bit of shopping, got some mortar, got some more red guard, got some brushes, you know. Went to go check out, forgot my friggin' wallet. Drive back home, get my wallet. And then in the interim, the gal that was checking me out went on break, and I'm waiting my turn in the next aisle over, and somebody's returning a bunch of stuff and brought receipts, and the items that he's returning aren't on the receipts, and finally the girl comes back from break, and I check out, I go back home, I mix up a bucket of mortar, I go to put it in and realize I had neglected to buy a drain thing. So here I am for the third time at Home Depot. I'm not going back here today. I just ain't not coming back here anymore today. I might be able to get this freaking pan put into place today, but I'm not holding out much hope. Get back in this place. Dang. Now I want to say that I have what I need.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so since I dicked that up and the drain was considerably smaller, let me see how that drain was put on there, just sandwiches on the fiberglass. This flange here is yeah, it's not gonna fit, so I need to enlarge that hole. How am I gonna do that? Well, I'm gonna use the double hole saw method. right. I got it done. It's what? 2:15. And I started this fiasco at just about 10 o'clock when I made my first run to the Home Despot. But anyway, my pan's in, and I let this set for probably, well, at least a day. I'll check it tomorrow and see if it's dried out. I'm probably, like I said, probably won't be able to get back in here tomorrow to do the red guard. I want to make sure that pan is completely dry before I put waterproofing on top of it, because I don't want to trap moisture in there, because it'll turn into a mold sandwich. Because there's red guard on the floor, this is on top of it. I probably won't come back in here till probably, what is it? It's Wednesday today. Probably won't come back here until the first of the week next week. I got everything I need. Tomorrow, it's Thursday. Friday, I'll run over to the neighbor's house and see what he's got for tile. If he's got enough to do, if he's got enough of the right kind of tile that I'm looking for to do this bathroom, then I'll probably buy some tile from him. But I have an idea of what I want to do inside the shower area anyway, and I don't know if he's got that tile, because I want to be pretty specific about that tile that I use in the shower itself. The rest of the bathroom, not so much, because I'm a cheap bastard. And I am done spending money at Home Depot this week, I think, unless something in the house breaks, which is entirely possible. I was pricing those peel and stick tiles, you know, the really thin ones that have an adhesive backing. I was thinking about using those here in the kitchen, and maybe even right here. It's almost the same money to buy regular tile. I think like some of those tiles are $9-10 a piece. Screw that, man. And then what I was thinking about using over here was one of those fake tins. Those are $20 a piece, and I have to measure this. That's probably 23 inches, so it wouldn't even cover the whole thing, I don't think. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I gotta get this bathroom done. Damn bathroom's taking forever. But ain't that just the way things are? It takes 3 times as much time to do and 3 times the money. I still got an hour. I bought a new clutch master for the dually. I think I'll go bench bleed that after I clean up my mess.
Moments later.
I'm still trying to bleed that damn thing. I did find out why this isn't working. Simply the engine's not spinning fast enough. What I did with this engine 10 years ago is I put a new cam and lifter set on it, and I re-ringed it. I think I put new bearings in it, so it needs to be broken in yet. I have the old point set up. I have the coil yet. I can get a new condenser. These spark plugs won't work with that distributor. Why? Well, because this is an HEI style. It has the post like a spark plug, or a male post, and this one has a female post. So I had to get a new set of wires. But screw all this, because I need to get something done today. I need to clean up this mess. I could do that. That's not fun. I had a package show up today. Tong Yang sent me some Fenders. Yeah. Got to do a little tweaking. The body lines aren't exactly stellar, and they are, you know, they're made in Taiwan. Dongyang, made in Taiwan. $105 for the pair shipped to my door. I'm not gonna complain. Now I need to get a new valance, and that will probably be made in Taiwan as well. Well, at least I got something done today. So if you like this video, hammer away the like button. If you think it sucked and I'm a big dumb goof, go ahead and click the dislike button twice. Either way is okay with me. If you did like the video, I'd appreciate it if you shared this with your vast social media network. That would be awesome. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a little button. It says subscribe. Click that button and the little bell icon next to it so you too can be notified of future uploads. Questions or comments down in the comment section where they belong. And until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day.
Would you look upon it, boys? It actually looks like a Jeep now.
Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.